Why do people actually hike? I'll give you only 3 reasons. Unimaginable beauty, incredible adventure, and challenge. Join me on this hike. You won't regret it. Today's journey brings us to the Bavarian Alps, where we will see a Höllentalklamm, a canyon which is deeply cut into the high mountains. Then we'll try to get up to the highest point of the hike, which is 1,800 meters. And finally, we'll try to get back to our car.
Hello guys, so we go to the Höllentalklamm. We are actually 10 minutes away from the parking space, and you already see all this nice nature. Yeah, right. I just showed you a really beautiful picture, and that's me. Here we are at the hut, at the house where you can have a lunch. From now on you have to get some kind of raincoat or something warm. We are going into Höllentalklamm. It's very beautiful in there. It's a visual orgasm. So enjoy. So guys, we are done through the Höllentalklamm, and we now go to the next stop. Beautiful mountains. So here we go guys. You still can have a really good exercise because this is the road and you still hike. It's not a walk, nice walk where you do nothing. Still have to hike, and it's demanding, which I personally like very much. So for those guys who are more chilled or beginners in hiking, you just go to the valley of wet death, of wet hell. But for those guys who are more into hiking, exercise, and have more experience, you go further. All right. So guys, this is the hut or house which I was talking about. you can have a beer there, you can have a lunch there, and usually people come here and then go back to the Höllentalklamm where we come from. You see, it's behind me. So, but there was a really nice view here. Look at these mountains. Yeah, look at this. And we are going to go there. So stay tuned. Hey, this is 1,500 meters and we have snow, and outside it's plus 20 degrees Celsius, so it's amazing. I love it. It's a glacier. I don't know, one of the last here this summer. It's May, end of May. In June it will be gone. So let's go. Look at these guys. We came from there, from beneath, and you see the snow, you see beautiful mountains. It's a house in the middle of mountains, in the middle of nowhere. Look at this. And you can have a lunch there. How amazing is that? Imagine living here.
Listen, I wanna be there with you no matter where you go. Life is a table for two and we're starting the show. Well, I'm gonna spread my wings and fly so high up above the clouds. You know that time doesn't wait for your dreams. We're living right here.
We are at the highest point at our destination. This is Alpspitze. It's above 2,000 meters. Here you go. Look how beautiful it is. And beneath you can see the White House, the really small one. And from here you see marvelous view of the mountains and marvelous view of the valley. finish our journey. It was amazing, 6 hours, 6.5 hours. And we're really done, so we're really tired. That's why we will be sleeping really nice today. And yeah, see you in the next journey. Bye bye.